continuing our discussion on 8051 memory and I/O devices interfacing. Learning objectives and key learning for this presentation. In this presentation, we will describe the procedure to troubleshoot given I/O device. After this, you should be able to list reason for improper functioning of microcontroller interface input-output device, debugging program for LED blinking, troubleshooting stepper motor interface with microcontroller. Concept map for this presentation. 8051 interface troubleshooting involves hardware troubleshooting and software debugging. We will take two case studies, one for LED interfacing and stepper motor interfacing. Troubleshooting of microcontroller interfacing with I/O device. A reliable interface requires combined effort from the hardware and software. Now some design defaults can always go undetected. The reasons of failure or improper functioning of microcontroller interfaced I/O devices are: first, memory stack overflow. If a variable greater than stack size is allocated, a stack overflow may occur during runtime and cause the firmware to have a random hardware failure. Unstable voltage source is another reason for the failure. A dip in operating voltage can cause system to behave erratically or completely freeze. So we have to make sure that a constant supply voltage is maintained without fluctuations. Electrical interference can also cause failures to the microcontroller systems. This usually happens from the electrical interference from relays and motors. So proper insulation of the systems has to be taken care. Op-amp can be used to separate the systems. Troubleshooting of microcontroller interfacing with I/O device. Another reason can be improper delay timing. For example, LED application where LED blinking is required, the frequency of on-off is decided by the delay. In case the delay is very small, or if delay is not decided, microcontroller will execute instructions in microseconds, and that is lower than the persistence of vision. Human eye won't be able to detect the on-off, and LED will seem to be on all the time. This problem can be solved by choosing appropriate delay timing. For stepper motor, the delay defines the speed of the motor. Lesser the delay, higher will be the speed. But if delay is very small, the motor simply vibrates and does not rotate at all. Thus, delay must be chosen appropriately to avoid this situation. Students can now attempt MCQs from set 1. Debugging of LED interfacing program. LED is interfaced on port 1.0, is not blinking. Find the error in below program and correct it. This is the problem statement that is given. Let us see what are the possible problem causes. Solution we have here. No delay after LED is turned off. So there is a delay here, but there is no delay after this. So LED is turned off here, but there is no delay. Also, the delay should be greater than persistence of vision to notice the blinking of LED. So delay is very small. We need a higher delay to observe the blinking. One more thing, there is a typographic error. The port 1.0 it is attached, LED is interfaced, while the set bit is 1.1. So the typographic error is visible here. So a corrected program will stand like this. Let's see the troubleshooting of stepper motor. Now if motor is not rotating or vibrating but not rotating, then check the following. First, check the circuit connections and code. Also check the delay. If circuit code is okay, then check the stepper motor gets proper supply voltage. Otherwise, it will just vibrate and not rotate. If supply is fine, then check 4 coil endpoints which connected to ULN 2003. First, find the 2 common endpoints. Now this can be done by using multimeter and checking the resistance between the different wires. The common endpoints must be connected to supply voltage, and the remaining 4 wires should be connected to the motor. If not connected in proper order, the motor will just vibrate instead of rotating. Students can attempt MCQs from set 2. Points to remember from our discussion. Basic troubleshooting of microcontroller and interfacing. Delay timing to be chosen appropriately for both the motor as well as LED interfaces. Steps in troubleshooting stepper motor interface with microcontroller. Thank you very much.